In this video guys, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make your Twitter account public. This is very easy guys. All you have to do is follow these exact steps and you will be able to make your Twitter account public. Make sure to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now you want to just open your Twitter account. Of course, let me search for Twitter. Yeah, this is Twitter. Just click on it or open it. Now after that guys, this is very easy. All you have to do is you want to click your profile picture in the top left. You will see there your profile picture. Click on it. And then after that guys, you want to click on settings and support. As you can see, settings and support. After that, scroll down a little bit and click on settings and privacy. Now after you are on this page, all you have to do guys, you want to just click on privacy and safety. And as you can see, a few different options will come up here. Now if you want to make your Twitter account public, this is very easy. All you have to do guys, you want to just click on audience and tagging in the top. And you will see here protect your tweets. That means account is private. If you toggle this on, your account is private, but if you toggle it off, if you turn this off, then your account is public now, because when you toggle this on, only show your tweets to people who follow you. If selected, you will not approve each new follower. So make sure you uncheck this or toggle off this. And photo tagging, you can choose photo tagging if you want to turn this on or not. But if you want to make your account public, you just want to toggle off or turn off this feature, and now your account is public and people are going to see your tweets without having to follow you. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works.